Welcome back to another installment of Just a Tip. Today we're just going to be showing you how to bead roll. Just going to do a quick little overview on it, just so you guys get an idea of what it is and the purpose of it. So we have a panel here. So we got our panel here. We're going to be doing a nice little bead roll on it. Just a quick little outline just to give it some definition. So get right into it. Voila! That's going to be our outline. Like I said, I was using that little circle template as a guide for my radius. I got myself a dial caliper and I picked a measurement where I wanted how far off the edge I wanted my bead to start. This particular application for what we're doing, it's going to be pretty tight, so we're only going ½ inch off of it, but I scribed it and then I went ahead and went over it with a Sharpie, following this edge, making sure that this is a straight edge. If it's obviously wavy, you're going to have a wavy line, so it'd be good. So it's good to grab like a straight edge or something to get a straight line, but especially like these curves, you can follow it and just double check it, make sure that you don't have a whole lot of waves and stuff going on. But so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get your bead dye. You're just going to follow the line. Make sure you got your lighting. You're going to screw this down. Doesn't really take a whole lot of pressure. All right, there you have it. Just a little quickie on bead rolling. If you'd like to see some more in-depth coverage on bead rolling, drop a comment down below. I'll check it out, see what it is. Maybe we'll go through all the dyes and kind of show you guys, what you can do. There's honestly limitless options. And if you've seen the video we just posted with Jonah, basically bought every single dye there is. So excited to see what's going on with that. But that about wraps it up for now. So thanks for watching.